Hi everyone, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and it is day 3 of Anna Griffin's Simply Paisley Scrapbook Kit. And this is what it could look like, but I didn't even look at that. So here is what the album looks like. It's very pretty, and it's 12 by 12. And I'll have a link in the comments for you to be able to pick this up if you're interested in it from annagriffin.com. Here is our double page layout today. It is even matching the album today. So here is the one page and here is the other. The only thing different is this is going to say sparkle and this is going to say moments, and the flowers, this flower and the other flower, are going to go the opposite direction. So if I forget to tell you that. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the one page so we have time and I'm not rushing. So you're going to need this, and you're going to need to pop dot it. You're going to need the sparkle and the moments. You're going to need 2 of these for this one and 2 for the other page. 2 of these, 1 for each page. You're going to need 1 of each direction for this page and 1 of each for the other page, so 4 altogether. You're going to need, and remember the way I show you how to do this, you get extra sheets of paper when we're said and done, when it's all done, and that's how I'm able to cut other papers to add to it. So this is 1 inch in purple, 12 inch by 1 inch. You need 2 for each pages. You need this right here, and you need this right here going both directions, this one for this direction. So also I forgot to tell you that I add 2 plastic cover sheets, protector sheets, and I make it a 12-month album instead of only 10-month or 10 sheets. I add 2 extra sheets, and we even have extra paper because I like it to be January through December, the albums that I make. That's my thought process. So, okay, so I'm going to put this right here so I can see what I'm doing, and we're going to get busy. So I'm going to start from the bottom. I'm going to take the purple, and I'm going to take the tape off, and I'm going to make sure that the paper is going the right direction because we're going to use it for the back side of the second page for tomorrow. So this is, and I am using the grid, and it is going up 1 inch, and we're going to just do 1 inch and put it here. And I burnished it down. Then we have this, and take these off. I should have done it before. This is the only time consuming. So if you don't like it, what I'm doing, then you say that's not what to do. Yeah, because not everyone likes everything the same. It's just ideas for you. It's really for beginners because I'm not using any of Anna's dies or anything. So the swirly is going up, and we're going to put it right at the edge of the 2, 1, 2 at the 3rd inch, and we're just going to barely hide that we covered it up. Okay, and then we're going to do this, and we're going to stick it just barely underneath that. And what it does is it looks like you used more paper, but we saved all that amount of paper and we were able to use it somewhere else. So let's put the word let's see, we need to put the word sparkle. So where is the word sparkle? I grabbed the wrong one, so we're doing sparkle moments. So that's okay. Let's take all the extra little pieces out. That's what I'm doing if you can't see me out of frame. I'm taking all the little so you can see the word. Okay, so we're going to put that Okay, so what we're going to do is come in 1 inch and we're going to put it right on the bottom so it's kind of straight. Oop, that's a little crooked. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully. So I might have been too far off. I hope I'm not. But came up 1 inch, then put this on with pop dots, and then put that right underneath it, and then put sparkle on. And then let's do the photo mats. Everything that I am using comes in the kit. It was like 300-400 pieces. It was a lot. And I definitely took days to make sure I could use as much as we could. And we had a lot left over this time. So what we're doing is going down 1 inch. And let's get the ruler I have right here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's a noisy. That's a noisy. And we're going to meet them in the middle. There you go. So we're going to take this, and we already have tape on it. A lot of her stuff already is sticky, but a few items isn't, but the journaling card. So we're going to just stick it right in the corner. And then this piece right here is going down, and we're going to stick it, just for state, I'm going to use hot glue, but usually I would unpeel it, and I'm going to just hide the little tail, and it's going right there. Can you see that? Or am I in frame? I'm not sure. So we're almost done. And then we're going to do the other page just the same, except for we're going to put moment. What is the word? What was the word? Moments? I don't remember. And the flowers going the opposite direction. So we want to have it going this way. So let's first use a little glue and stick it. I think I have the wrong direction. I do. This is the wrong direction, so I'm going to pull it. No, I don't. No, I don't. Well, if I do, I'll fix it later. I'll stick it right there. And then these, I'm going to hide the little tail a little bit and just put it just under here. And just under here. Right here. And there we go, guys. We have the page layout, and we're going to do exactly the same on the other one. So it would be sparkle and moments, and it's all the same except for the flowers going the different direction and the words. So I hope you like this double page layout for today. All my links are down below, and I do have a link that will get you to Anna Griffin's website if you want to buy this kit and other stuff. Have a blessed day.